Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is SHA-DAY. If this is your first time here, I am going to be unboxing my first dip manicure kit from ROSSI Nails. So this is a brand that I'm newly introduced to, and this video is in collaboration with ROSSI Nails. I'm super excited to try out this new dip manicure kit because I am looking for something a little bit more professional, a little bit more durable. I have done dip manicures before at home, but I'm looking for something that can really give me that long wearing quality, like a really good 14-day wear. So I'm super excited to try this new manicure kit. They have amazing reviews on Amazon, so I'm super excited to do this unboxing video with you all and just walk you through what they offer in the kit. And then in a separate video, I'll be doing a step-by-step on how to use the ROSSI nail kit system. So if that's something you want to see, just keep watching. Packaging open just so I wouldn't be fussing with it on camera, but I have not opened this yet. I have saved it for this video. So here's how the kit comes. Take off the bubble wrap. And it is my Glam Your Nails Secret Mystery Box by ROSSI Nails, and it contains one random shade. So that's kind of fun. I don't know what shade they picked for me, so we will find out once I open the kit. So, oh wow, it says up to 3 weeks of salon quality nails, and that's what I'm looking for. I said that in my intro that my at-home dip manicures have only been lasting me, honestly, like a good 10 days. And then with cleaning and washing dishes, like I would start seeing them chip. So I didn't know if that meant my dip powder was old or just wasn't the best quality. So super excited to see the wear of this dip powder. So let me just read this little heart here. It says, "What's inside? Peep in to find out. ROSSI Mystery Box includes a selection of our signature products that we know you'll love. ROSSI Glam Powder is the secret to achieve a professional manicure at home, easy to apply, long-lasting, and odorless." That's really nice. ROSSI Glam Powder is the best acrylic alternative that offers high shine and lasts up to 21 days without the need to light cure. We have more than 200 plus flawless shades available. So, also it says that it's non-toxic, it's cruelty-free, quick and easy, you don't need a UV lamp, and it's calcium and vitamin E fortified. Thank you so much for sending me this, ROSSI. I truly appreciate it and am grateful to try out your product. So let's open her up. I love the packaging, it's so pretty and cute. So this is what we got in here. Oh, wow. How pretty. It's like an ombre. I don't know if you can see that. And my nails aren't done yet, so don't judge. I will try to insert some better close-ups, but it's like a pearlish pink and like a hotter pink mixed together with a little like gold silvery glitter. So this is their glam powder. I love the packaging. It's super, super pretty. Excuse me while I fumble with this. I accidentally opened the bottle, or actually, oh no. Oh, that must have happened in shipping. Darn. Okay. That's okay, we'll work with it. So this is the activator. So you get your little activator. And then you have your top coat. So it tells you what step is what. So that's always very helpful because when I do my dip manicures, I have everything like lined up so I don't go out of order. And then lastly is my base coat. So I opened it backwards. So you have your base coat, your activator, and then your top coat for that high quality shine. So the base coat makes your glam powder last longer and cling to your nails better. So that's awesome. And then your activator, does it say anything? Is a must-have formula to activate all the powders. So this is what gets your powder to, harden, to solidify, and then your top coat protects your glam powder manicure from chipping and peeling. So, and like I said, it's also fortified with vitamin E and calcium so your nails can stay healthy and strong. So I have never had any issue with my nails doing them at home. So they've actually lasted a lot better. Like my natural nails haven't gotten ruined from doing my dip manicures at home. So I love that about at-home dip manicure kits. You just kind of take better care of your nails when you do them at home, I believe. So thank you so much to ROSSI Nails for sending me this amazing little kit, and I can't wait to film the video for you all where I walk you through step by step in trying out this beautiful glam powder. So thank you to ROSSI Nails. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you have ever tried ROSSI Nails before, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys in that next video where I actually do my nails. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Bye.